The beauty of drop servicing, making money online without lifting a finger, effortlessly. Want to make money online? Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Drop servicing might be your ticket to freedom and flexibility. It's like drop shipping, but instead of products, you're selling services. The best part? You don't need any upfront investment. Here's how it works. You find clients who need a service like website design. Then you outsource the work to a freelancer. You charge your client a higher price, then you pay the freelancer, keeping the profit. It's that simple. This business model is perfect for beginners. No inventory, no shipping headaches. Just connect clients with skilled freelancers and watch the money roll in. Ready to start your drop servicing journey? Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Finding your niche. What service will you master? This is the foundation of your drop servicing business. The first step is choosing your niche. This decision will shape your entire business strategy. This is crucial. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, focus on a specific service you're passionate about. Narrowing down your options will help you stand out in a crowded market. Are you a social media guru? Offer social media management. This could include creating content, scheduling posts, and analyzing engagement metrics. Do you have an eye for design? Focus on logo creation or website design. These services are always in demand as businesses constantly need to refresh their brand image. Remember, you'll be marketing these services, so choose something you understand and enjoy. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your work and attract clients. Think about your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do people always ask for your help with? Reflect on your past experiences and feedback from others. Answer these questions, and you'll be well on your way to finding your perfect niche. This self-awareness is key to building a successful business. Once you have a niche, it's time to validate your idea. Is there actually a demand for this service? Let's find out. Research market trends, analyze competitors, and seek feedback from potential clients. This will ensure your chosen niche is viable and profitable. Step 2, testing the waters. Is there demand for your service? You've got your niche, but don't jump the gun just yet. Before you go all in, it's time to do some market research. This is a crucial step that can make or break your business. This step is vital to ensure your drop servicing business will be successful. Without understanding the market, you might end up offering a service that no one needs or wants. Head over to Google and start searching. Are people looking for the service you offer? Look at search trends and see if there's a growing interest in your niche. Check out freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms are gold mines for understanding the demand for various services. How many freelancers are offering similar services? This will give you an idea of the competition and the market saturation. Knowing your competitors helps you identify gaps in the market that you can fill. Another great tool is social media. Platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter can provide a wealth of information. Join Facebook groups related to your niche. These groups are filled with potential customers and industry experts. See what people are talking about. Pay attention to the discussions and the questions being asked. What are their pain points? Understanding the problems your target audience faces is key to offering a valuable service. Can you offer a solution? If you can address their pain points effectively, you'll have a much better chance of success. By conducting thorough market research, you'll gain valuable insights into your target audience, their needs, and the competitive landscape. This information is crucial for tailoring your services to meet market demands. Armed with this knowledge, you can move on to the next step, finding reliable freelancers. This will ensure that you can deliver high-quality services to your clients, setting the foundation for a successful drop servicing business. Step 3. Building your dream team. Finding reliable freelancers. This is a crucial step in ensuring the success of your drop servicing business. Now it's time to build your team of skilled freelancers. These individuals will be the backbone of your operations, handling the tasks that will drive your business forward. These are the people who will bring your drop servicing business to life. Their expertise and dedication will be instrumental in delivering high-quality services to your clients. Finding reliable freelancers is crucial for your success. You need individuals who are not only skilled, but also dependable and professional. Start with popular freelance platforms like Upwork, where you can find a wide range of talented professionals. Fiverr and Guru are also excellent platforms to explore. Browse through profiles, read reviews, and check portfolios to get a sense of each freelancer's capabilities. Look for freelancers with high ratings, positive feedback, and a strong portfolio. These indicators can help you gauge their reliability and quality of work, and relevant experience in your niche. When contacting potential freelancers, be clear about your expectations and the scope of the project. Be clear about your expectations. Provide detailed project briefs and deadlines. Communication is key. Make sure to outline all the necessary details to avoid any misunderstandings. Provide detailed project briefs and deadlines. Communication is key. Regular updates and feedback can help keep the project on track and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Choose freelancers who are responsive and easy to work with. A good working relationship can make a significant difference in the outcome of your projects. Remember, your freelancers are an extension of your brand. Their work reflects on your business, so it's important to choose individuals who align with your values and standards. Choosing the right team will ensure high-quality work and happy clients. Satisfied clients are more likely to return and recommend your services to others. Now that you have your team, it's time to create a professional online presence. A well-designed website and active social media profiles can help attract more clients and showcase your team's capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.